According to the delivery schedule, this is lot number 5.
Yes, everything is accounted for. Signal the crane operator.
Easy now, bring it down slow.
Levels look good, clearance is sufficient.
Area clear below.
The giant drum fast begins rotating. Workers monitor the machine from nearby control stations.
Temperature holding steady at 180 Celsius.
Acknowledged. Increasing burner intensity by 5%.
The viscosity is dropping right on schedule. We're reaching the target consistency now.
Temperature is holding consistent.
Good, the viscosity is perfect for the next stage. Levels are stable, we are good to go for mixing.
Starting the agitation sequence now.
Go ahead and add the remainder of the fatty acids.
Confirming quantity now. Levels are optimal. Check the temperature on reactor 4.
It's holding steady at 75 Celsius, Commander. Mixing speed is optimal.
All parameters checked out green.
Excellent. The pink batch is approved. Start the transfer.
Cross-reference the jasmine oil against the specification. Looks accurate on the digital schematic. Approved. We are approaching the completion window.
Parameters are optimal. We can begin the sampling process.
All parameters are within the acceptable range.
Data confirms factory standards. We have approval for production.
The approved pink soap mixture enters the refining section. Workers activate powerful refining machines. Large industrial rollers begin processing the soap material.
The moisture content is stabilizing right on target.
Good, let's maintain this speed.
Dimensions look good, right within tolerance.
Confirmed. The consistency is perfect.
Pressure is holding steady at 200 psi.
Check the flow rate on the next batch. It's fluctuating slightly.
The throughput remains consistent at 98%. Good. Let's check the temperature gradient in the cooling section. The spike at position C4 is normalized. Confirmed. The cooling performance is optimal now.
The finish looks perfect, and the color consistency is excellent. Hardness levels are stable. We can proceed with branding.
The line is moving fast, but the quality remain high. Agreed. The automated scan caught that last effective one instantly.
The gloss levels look excellent on this batch. Yes, the adjustments stabilize the finish. There's the defective unit being removed.
Good catch. The system is performing optimally. The print quality looks excellent.
Make sure the speed stays consistent across all lines. The data shows we're running low on pallets in aisle 7.
I'll reroute the next incoming shipment to cover the demand immediately.